This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot fudge sauce. Start by gathering cocoa, sugar, heavy cream, butter, and a pinch of salt. Heat gently while stirring until sugar dissolves and mixture thickens to coat a spoon. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla for depth. Cool slightly before serving over ice cream or cakes, and store leftovers in an airtight jar for easy reheating later. Begin by blending dry ingredients with a little cream to make a smooth paste, then gradually add the rest of the cream while whisking. Keep the heat moderate to avoid scorching and whisk constantly until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. Take the pan off the burner and stir in cold butter and vanilla to lock in richness. Let the sauce cool slightly so it will thicken to perfect dipping consistency. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading cookbooks by the sink, and it's super comfy to hold while you taste test. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and if not, that's fine too. Now let's get back to the video. Spoon warm hot fudge over desserts for an immediate upgrade, or use as a dip for fruit and pretzels. To store, cool completely, then transfer to a sealed jar and refrigerate. It will keep for up to 2 weeks. Reheat gently on the stove over low heat or in short microwave bursts, stirring frequently until smooth. If sauce is too thick when cold, add a splash of cream while reheating to restore pourability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.